Good morning, children. Very good morning, ma. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay. Today onwards, I am going to teach you MM also. Okay. And in the previous classes also, you have MM. Yes. Have you heard it? Yes. So today I am starting the first exercise. Before going to learn about the MM, first you have to come through and you have to very thoroughly learn about the multiplication tables and addition tables. Children, I think in the previous class already we told you to learn perfectly multiplication tables, at the same time addition tables also. Yes, na? So be prepared. Daily you write the tables. Okay. So now I am going to start the first exercise to you. This one is on abacus. Okay, this one is on abacus. In the previous classes also you have abacus 1. Yes. So they didn't give any type of number for us. We had to write that number also. Okay, once look through this abacus picture, once look through this abacus picture. Okay, what are these? How many beads was given in the abacus? If you see that abacus having some spokes and some beads. Okay, we call these lines as spokes, and these rounds and circles what I drawn here, those are the beads which we can see on abacus. Okay, children, see here how many beads was given. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 in 100th place. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one 1, 2, 3. So the number is 453. Next one, go through the next one. How many beads are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the next one 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what are these two numbers, Amma? 453 and 545. 453 and 545. So if you observe this, they are asking us how much is this total? How much is this total? They ask us, tell us the answer. Okay, how you will do? By counting the beads, we can say in the 100th place 4 beads are there. Na? Again here in the 100th place 5 beads. 4 plus 5, 9. Next in 10th place, 5 and here 4. 5 plus 4, 9. Again in the 1's place 3 and here 5. 3 plus 5, 8. Because how you can write this using the spokes means here not yet given any type of regrouping addition. Yes, na? So it is very easy to write. It is very easy to write. But some of the times if they given more than the sum here 4 plus 5, 9. If they given 10 like that, it's not possible. For that type of sums we have to do the process. So see the process. 453 plus 545. If you add these two, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 998. 998. Like that you have to do. Okay, children, like that you have to do. Okay, ma. Have you understood this one? I will tell you the next sum to you. Okay. Okay, next one. Circle the largest number. Circle the largest number. They given 3 numbers for us and they ask us to circle the largest number. What are those 3 given numbers? 849, 894, 897. Children, if you observe all the numbers what they given, they are all started with 800s only. What are those numbers? Once again read it, ma. 849, 894, 897. Okay, so in these three, which is largest? If you observe, 849, 94 and here 97, it is the more number. Compared to those two numbers, that number is the more number. What is the place value of 5? Place value of 5 in 1952 is, what is the place value of 5 in 1952 is, while writing the place value of the number, before going to write the place value of a number, what do we have to do, ma? First we have to write the place values of the number. What is that number? This one, 1952. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is the place value of 5? 5 is at the tens place. So 5 tens. What is that? 5 tens. 5 tens nothing but 50. Next one. 400 plus 60 plus 6 equal to. Children, the question what they given for us, it is in the expanded notation. It is in the expanded notation. I think in the previous textbook, the textbook class I told you that expanded notation. Same like that only here. How many, the question what they given, 400 plus 60 plus 6. So how many place values was given? Up to 100 place value it was given. So write ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. How many tens are there? 6 tens. How many ones are there? 6 ones. 466. 466. Next one, fifth one. They given us to insert. Insert means wherever it is necessary, you have to place greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to. Okay. See the question. 1000 plus 7. Next. 1007. And then next, children. Next one. 1000 plus 10 plus 7. If you observe that 1000 plus 7, what is 1000 plus 7, amma? 1000 plus 7, 1007. Next, 1007. Both are equal. So you can put equality symbol between these two. Next, 1000 plus 10 plus 7. If you know, you can write or else add and write. 1000 plus 10 plus 7. What is it? 7101. That means 1017. Here 1007 only, there 1017. So simply you can write that number is the greater number. That number is the greater number. So this one is more. Okay, children. Next one. Here they given a missing number for us. 725 plus. Children, when I am saying you note down, it's better to you. Okay. Note down and revise once again all the exercises after the completion. Okay, children? Okay, children, look at that. 725, sixth one. 725 plus blank. 725 plus 50 plus blank equal to 779. 779. Here they ask us, after adding these two numbers, they got 779, but we don't know the third number what they added. So we have to find that blank number. So what we have to do first, we have to add the given numbers. What was given? First we have to add these two numbers. What are these? 725 plus 50. Add these two numbers, Nana. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Again 7. What is this? 775 was given, but here 779 was given. So it is the more number. So you have to subtract 775 from 779. If you subtract 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. So what the answer left? 4. If you add 4, you will get that answer. If you add 4, you will get that answer. Okay, children? Next, they given number name for us. 952. 952. They asked us to write that numeral. What is that? 952. What is that? 952. So, how many places we have to place? Hundreds. Up to hundreds was given na? Ones, tens, hundreds. 952. No? 952. 952. Like that you have to write. Okay? If they give a number name, you can write the number like this by placing the place values. Okay, ma? Next sum. Next one. See the next one, children. 15 tens plus 8 ones. 15 tens plus 8 ones. 15 tens plus 8 ones. What is 15 tens? Equal to how much? What is 15 tens, Nana? 15 tens 150. 2 tens 20. 3 tens 30. Like that. 15 tens 150. 8 ones. What is 8 ones? 8 ones 8. 5 ones 5. 6 ones 6 only. So 8 ones 8. 150 plus 8. 158. 150 plus 8. 158. If you have any doubt regarding to that calculation, add 150 plus 8. 158. Like that you can write. Okay, ma. Next they ask us to write the number name of the number. They give a number for us. They ask us to write the number name. How you will write the number name? What is this number? Before going to write the number name, first place the place values, ones, tens and hundreds. And then write the number name. 9 is at 100 place na? 900 and 16. 916. What is the question? What is that question given? 916. Next. The number comes after, the number which comes after, the number which comes after 999 is, that means the number which you will get after 999. What you will get after 999? 999 after what the number you will get? 1000. What is that number, Amma? 1000. If you know, okay. How you will find that? By adding the numbers. By adding 1 to the given number. 999 plus 1, 10. And here 9 plus 1, 10 again. Here 9 plus 1, 10. So like that you can do it. Okay children, tomorrow I will continue the class. Okay. Tomorrow I will continue the class for you. Till then, goodbye, ma. Take care of your health. Okay.